What's up, guys? Well, I'm hoping I can make this short video and make your day. I'll just start with the symptoms I had. I had this hesitation problem with the engine. I'll be driving down the road and all of a sudden it feels like the engine lost fuel pressure, sparks, something. But it is so fast, it doesn't even throw its check engine light. The Jeep would lurch forward and it got real annoying. At first it was subtle. I mean, I've had this problem for maybe a year now. But it was only like once a month, and I barely noticed it. Then it went to once a week, then every day, and got worse from there. I even went as far as taking it to a dealership to see if they could fix it. Naturally, they took it out. They said there was nothing wrong with it, and charged me $100 and something. That was awesome. So I didn't know what else it could be. In the back of my mind, I kept saying crank position sensor, but usually you get a check engine light for that. But I contacted my friend. He has a 2012. This is a 2013. I remember him telling me a few years back he had a spark issue or something. So he changed all his spark plugs. Well, I called him and talked to him about it, and he's like, no, I had the exact same issue, just loss of power. I thought it was the spark plugs, but it wasn't. It's like, oh, okay, well, interesting. So I went on the internet, started doing a little bit more investigating, and I found one guy on a thread on a forum that mentioned crank position sensor, and I'm like, son of a bitch, okay, well, it's a $20 part, why not try it? Sure enough, that fixed it. No more hesitation, no more canceling out of cruise control, none of that. It runs perfect. In fact, I think it gained a few horsepower. The Jeep runs like it's brand new again. It's this guy here. And I got this one from O'Reilly's. It's just a off-brand, but it works. I'm stoked. I'll show you where it is. Anybody can do this. It's just one bolt. It comes right out. Alright. Where are you? There it is. No, I'm blind. There it is. Okay. Right there. Easy as that. Just... I've changed crank position sensors before, and this is the easiest one I have ever changed. I'm so happy it's right there. But yeah, that fixed my hesitation problem. Ugh. So hopefully that fixes your problem too, because apparently this might be a somewhat common thing. It's kind of weird that my friend that has a Jeep and me both had the exact same problem. So yeah, but I just rolled over 70,000 miles, so I think it started around the 60,000 mile range. But there's no need to change your spark plugs. They're not due for at least 80,000 to 100,000. Plus, it's a nightmare to change. Just change that little sensor in the bottom, $20, you're done. You don't even have to pay a mechanic to do it. But anyways, hopefully this helps, and good luck.